Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Yeah children, today we are going to cover ELGA for day 6 of unit 2. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover ELGA for day 6 of unit 2. Yeah children, what is the meaning of ELGA? What is the meaning of ELGA? ELGA means English Language and General Awareness. Okay. Yeah, in ELGA there are 5 components. Okay. Yeah, children. Now let us learn the first component of phonics. Okay. Yeah, children. Listen. Look at the board. Phonics. Phonics means what? Children, we are using the sounds of the letter. Okay. Name of the letter and sound of the letter also. Yeah, children. Now we are going to cover the worksheet page number 34. Yeah, children, now I will read the all words. Children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. What is the first word? What is the first word? Yeah, anybody? Can you able to read this word? What is the word is this? Yeah, children, listen. The word make 3 sounds. How many sounds? The word makes 3 sounds. What are the 3 sounds, children? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, listen. This is the beginning sound, middle sound, and end sound. Okay. What is the beginning sound in this word? K. K. Okay. What is the beginning sound in this word? K. K. What is the middle sound of this word? Ah, ah. Next, what is the end sound? B. B. Yeah, now let us join together all the sounds. Okay, yeah, children listen. K, a, b. Come, come. K, a, b. Come. Okay, yeah, children listen. Come, come. Yeah, children please repeat after with me. Okay, come, come. The next word is hut. Hut. H, t. Hut. The another word is hug. Hug. The mother is hug to her child. Okay, this is called hug. What is the sound? H, g. Hug. What is the next word? Rub. Rub. R, b. Rub. Okay, the next line. Run. 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 The next word is bun. Bun. B. Bun. The another word is cut. Cut. K. T. Cut. Dot. What is the last word? Dot. D. T. Dot. The next line. Nut. Nut. What is the sounds of this letter, this word? T. Nut. The next word is jug. Jug. J. G. Jug. The next one word. Hut. Hut. H. T. Hut. The last word is cop. Cop. K. P. Cop. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Now take your ELGA worksheet page number 34. Okay. Yeah, children, now move on the slide. Okay, yeah, children, take your English worksheet page number 54. Take soon. Yeah, children, when you have attending the online class, take your ELGA reader book, worksheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener with you. Okay. Yeah, children, now take your worksheet, page number 54. Yeah, children, take soon. Take a pencil also. Okay. Yeah, children, now we will learn the Okay, the children listen. Now, question number 1. Circle the pictures from the same word family as the first one in the box. Your children listen. Now, question number 1. A. There are 4 words given. How many words in the question number 1A? There are 4 words. Okay. Yeah, the first word is in the separate column. What is the first word? Come. Cub. Very good. Okay. Yeah, the cub is the separate column. Okay. Yeah, children listen. Remaining the 3 words. Okay. Which one is the belong to the cub word family? Yeah, children, you will find the answer. Yeah, children, now I will read the all words. Come. Come. The next word is hut. Hut. The another word is hug. Hug. The next word is rub. Rub. Yeah, children, yeah, which word is the same word family or belong to the cub? Say the answer. Very good. The answer is rub. Rub. Children, take your pencil, circle the word rub. Rub is a belong to same cub word family. Okay. The answer is rub. Okay, next question number 1B. Run. Run. Bun. Bun. Cut. Cut. Dot. Dot. Your children listen. Which word is belong to the run word family? Okay, what is the answer? What is the run word family? Very good. Bun. Bun. Your children, do you like it? Bun. Okay. Bun. Run. Bun. Children, take your pencil, circle the word bun. Next. Question number 1C. Nut. Nut. Jug. Jug. Hut. Hut. Cob. Cob. Yeah, which one is the nut word family? Yeah, very good. Hut. Hut. Take your pencil, circle the answer. Okay, yeah, children, now check your answer correctly. Very good. Awesome. Great, children. Next. See the next slide. Question number 2. Cross the odd word. Okay. Cross out the odd word. The children listen. Now, I will read the question number 2A. Cut. Cut. Your children listen. The cut is in the separate column. Okay. Now, I want to cross out the odd word. Yeah, I will read remaining words. Children listen carefully. Cut. The next word. Rub. Rub. The another word. Nut. Nut. The last word is hut. Hut. Yeah, children, listen one thing carefully. Another 2 words are related to cut word family, at word family. Okay. Yeah, children, the rub is in the different. The rub is the rub. The word is only different. So, what is the odd word? Rub. Okay. Your children, take your pencil, cross out the word rub. Okay. Okay, children, next question number 2B. Question number 2B. Sun. Sun. Cut. Cut. Run. Run. Bun. Bun. Yeah, children, in this words, yeah, which word is the hard word? Yeah, children, listen. Sun, cut, run, bun. What is the answer? Yeah, very good. The cut. The cut word is the odd word. Okay, next. Question number 2C. Cub. Cub. The next word, sub. Sub. The another word. Rub. Rub. The last word. Part. Part. Yeah, which one is the different from to other words? Yeah, very good. Part. Part. Children, take your pencil, cross out the word part. Okay. Okay, children, listen. In today's class, phonics section over. Now, let us learn the whole word section. Okay. Children, now let us learn the whole word section. Yeah, children, in the whole words, yeah, children, we will learn more words. Okay, whole words means what? Yeah, children, whole words means we do not use the letter sounds. We do not use the letter sounds. Okay, these are called whole words. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the board. See the slide now. Whole words. Yeah, children, now take your Elga Reader book, page number 42. Take soon, children. Whole words family. Take soon, children. Take your Elga Reader book, page number 42. Whole words. Yeah, children, now once again I repeat the words. Okay. See the slide, children. Yeah, now I will read the all whole words. Okay. Listen carefully. Children, please repeat after with me. Okay. What is the first word? Many. What is the first word? Many. Okay, children, please repeat after with me. Many. The next word is goes. Goes. The another word, two. Two. The next word, hour. Hour. The last word, look. Look. Next, if. If. The next word, sa. Sa. The another word, some. Some. The next word, from. From. The last word, she. She. Next, the third line, there. There. The next word, tell. Tell. The another word, also. Also. The next word, have. Have. The another word, same. Same. The next line, has. Has. The next word, so. So. The next word, in. In. The next word, off. Off. The last word, be. Be. The next word, from. From. Okay. Yeah, children, now let us learn new words. Okay. Now, children, please repeat after with me. Went. Went. The next word, said. Said. The next word, was. Was. The next word, it. It. The last word, about. About. The next line, at. At. The next word, made. Made. The next word, berries. Berries. The another word, people. People. The next word, under. Under. The last line, without. Without. The next line, anywhere. Anywhere. The next word, different. Different. The last word is learning. Learning. Okay, very good. Awesome. Okay, children, next let us learn the reading and listening comprehension. Okay. Okay, yeah, children, in the previous class, already we learned about the different but the same. Different but the same. Yeah, children, once again, I repeat the story. Okay, author Komal Ramchandani, illustration Kukri Penha. Okay, children, now I will read the sentence. I come home from school. I tell my mother what I learned. Okay, I come home from school. I tell my mother what I learned. Okay, next, we learned about the tribal people. We learned about the tribal people. Okay, next. Some live in forest. Some live in forest. Now we all live in our house. Okay, where do you live, children? We are all live in a home. Okay, but tribal people lives in a forest. Okay. Next, we live in the city. Yeah, children, we are live in the city, village or town. Okay, anywhere. But tribal people live in a forest. Okay, next. See the next sentence. They eat fruits and berries. They eat fruits and berries. But we are all eat rice, dal, chapatis, idli, dosa. Okay, but the tribal people eats only fruits and berries. Okay. Next, we eat dal and rice. We eat dal and rice. Okay, பருப்பு சாதம் அம்மா கொடுப்பாங்கல்ல. Next, we wear cotton and woolen clothes. Yeah, children, we wear cotton and woolen clothes. Yeah, during the summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Okay. Yeah, in the winter season, we wear the woolen clothes. Okay, yeah, children, now tribal peoples are wear the leaves. Tribal peoples are wear the leaves. Okay, yeah, take the many leaves and stitching to one to another. Okay, leaves எல்லாம் எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படியே ஒண்ணு ஒண்ணா கோத்து dress கட்டிக்குவாங்க. Okay, children, listen, they wear clothes made from leaves. Next, they live in huts made of straw. Straw means what? Vaikol. கூளம்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. The cows are eat straw. Okay, மாடு சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? வைக்கோல் கூளம். Okay, yeah, children, listen. All the dry grasses. Dry grasses are called straw. காஞ்சு போன புல்லு இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? This is called straw. Okay, yeah, children, listen. We live in a home. The home made up of cement, bricks, sand. Okay, yeah, children, but the tribal people make the house from the straw. Okay, they live in the huts made of straw. Made of straw. Next, we live in houses made of bricks. Bricks means sengal. Okay, we live in houses made of bricks. Okay, look at the picture. This is very nice house. Okay, next, we are different yet the same. Okay, yeah, children, listen. We are living in a home, but tribal people are living in a forest. Yeah, children, we likes to eat dal and rice, but the tribal people eats fruits and berries. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Next, we are different but yet the same. Why? Because we are all Indians. Because we are all Indians. Okay, which is our country? India is our country. Yeah, children, look at the map of India. This is called map of India. Okay, we all live in India. So we are all Indians. We are all Indians. Okay. Yeah, children, now number the pictures in correct sequencing. Number the pictures in correct sequencing. Yeah, children, in the previous story, we learned about different types of schools. We learned about different types of school. What is the first one school? We learned in the previous story. Yeah, children, very good. In the classroom, the teacher shows the picture. Okay, so this is the last one is the first one, number 1. Okay, next we are seeing the platform school. Platform school. Okay, next third one, floating school. Third one, floating school. Fourth one, under the bridge. Under the bridge. Okay, listen, your children, take your pencil, put the correct number in the sequence order. Okay, okay children, next take your worksheet. Take soon children. Take a worksheet page number 57. 57, question number 1. Number the pictures in correct sequence. Children, please take your worksheet page number 57. Question number 1. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Yeah, children, write the answer quickly. Okay. Next. Yeah, children, take your worksheet page number 56. Take your worksheet page number 56. Yeah, children, look at the picture. Follow each instruction below and draw in the picture. Yeah, children, do you like draw? Yeah, very good. Awesome. All the children are like very much draw. Yeah, children, listen. Follow each instruction. Yeah, listen. In this picture, there are 6 sentences here. How many sentences? There are 6 sentences. Yeah, in the each and every sentence, the children, listen. In each sentence has some instruction for you. Okay, yeah, children. Now I will read the first sentence for you. Draw a book on the table. Yeah, children, listen now. Take your worksheet, page number 56. Take your pencil also. Yeah, children, now we will draw something. Okay. Yeah, children, in the first sentence, the instruction is draw a book on the table. Yeah, children, now take a pencil. Start. Draw a book. Where is draw a book? On the table. On the table. Yeah, children, listen. Look at the picture. Where is the table? Yeah, very good. Here is a table. Yeah, children, now I want to draw a book on the table. Quickly, children. Okay, very good. Next. Letter B. Draw a mat near the table. Where is the table? The table is here. Yeah, children, now we will draw a mat. Mat means what? Pie. Okay. Yeah, children, now we will draw a mat near the table. Okay. Yeah, children, see the picture. One yellow with orange color mat is here. Yeah, children, I want to draw the mat. Okay, like this. Okay, next. Let us see. Draw a flower in the pot. Where is the pot? The pot is on the table. The pot is on the table. Yeah, children, now we will draw a flower. Okay, now we will draw a flower on the pot. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, wow. Beautiful flower. Very good, children. Next. D. Letter D. Draw a ball. Draw a ball. Okay, yeah, draw a ball near the chair. Near the chair. Yeah, children, we will draw a ball near the chair. Okay, next. Draw a ball in the box. Yeah, children, where is the box? The box is near the table. Near the table, one box is available. One box is here. Yeah, children, now we will draw a ball inside of the box. Inside of the box. Okay. Okay, children, next. Draw an apple on the chair. Yeah, children, where is the chair? In this picture, where is the chair? The chair is here. Yeah, very good. children, now we will draw a picture and apple and apple. Okay, now take a pencil, draw an apple on the chair. On the chair. Okay. Yeah, children, did you draw the pictures? Very good. Awesome. Next. Yeah, children, take your worksheet. Page number 57. 57. Take soon, children. Yeah, children, now I will read the question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Yeah, children, now I will read the all words from the box. Okay, children, please repeat after with me. Slowly. Slowly. Next. Loudly. Loudly. Next. Fast. Fast. Next. Quickly. Next. Easily. Easily. Next. Happily. What is the another one word? Happily. Next. Sadly. What is the last word? Sadly. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. Okay, question number 2A. The snail. Children, please repeat after with me the sentence. Okay, the snail moved dash on the sand. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, children, slowly. Yeah, children, the snail can able to move fast or slow. Very good. Yeah, children, listen. Very slow. Okay, slowly, easily, happily, and sadly. Yeah, children, this is the 4 answer is eligible to this dance. Okay, yeah, children, now the snail moved slowly. I want to take any one answer. Okay, slowly moved slowly on the sand. Okay, next, the second sentence. Question number 2B. The frog hopped, hopped quickly, fastly, easily, happily, or sadly. Okay, yeah, children, whatever you want to like this, any one answer. Okay, next. Question number 2C. The boy shouted happily. The boy shouted dash. The boy shouted happily. Okay. The next question number 2D. The boy was crying. Yeah, children, how to the boy was crying? Happily or sadly? Yeah, very good. Sadly. The boy was crying sadly. Sadly. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for you. 5 seconds. Quickly, children, note the answer in your worksheet. Okay. Yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your children, your time over. Okay, next. See the next slide. Page number 58. Your children, take your worksheet. Page number 58. Position words. Your children, now I will read the sentence for you. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence for you. Question number 1A. Yeah, look at the picture. What do you think? See the first one picture. What is this? This is the bowl. Okay, bowl. What is that? What is inside of this bowl? Water. Next, fish. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Now I will read the sentence. This fish is dash the water. Yeah, children, listen. carefully. This fish is dash the water. Yeah, what is the answer given? There are two options here. In and on. In and on. Yeah, children, what is the correct answer? The fish is in the water or on the water? Yeah, children, listen. Where is the fish? The fish is in the water. Okay, next question number 1, B. The eggs are dash the nest. The eggs. The eggs are dash the nest. Yeah, children, look at the picture carefully. Where is the eggs? Yeah, children, listen. The two option is here. The two answer is here. One in, another one answer is near. Which one is the correct answer, children? Listen the picture. The eggs are in the nest or near the nest. Very good. Awesome. Listen. The eggs are in the nest. Very good. Next. Question number 1C. The dog is dash the girl. The dog is dash the girl. Your children, where is the dog? The dog is near the girl. The dog is near the girl. Next, question number 1D. The cat is dash the table. Where is the cat, children? Very good. The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. Okay, your children, now look at the board. The answer will write on the board. Your children, quickly write the answer. The fish is in the water. What is the answer? The fish is in the water. Next, the eggs are in the nest. The eggs are in the nest. Okay. Next, question number 1C. The dog is near the girl. The dog is near the girl. Next, the cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. Okay, let children listen. See the next slide. Question number 2. Match the positions of the objects with the pictures. Okay, yeah, children listen. The girl is near the table. Yeah, look at the picture. Where is the girl? The girl is near the picture. Yeah, children, take the ruler with your pencil. Match the correct picture. The answer is third one picture. Okay, the girl is near the table. Take the ruler with your pencil. Cross the word. Okay, next. The boy is putting the toy into the box. Where is the boy? The boy is putting the toy into the box. The children, first one. The answer is first one. The boy is putting the toy into the box. Okay, your children, listen. B. The answer is first one. Next. The boy is sitting on the chair. Where is the boy? The last one boy is sitting on the chair. Take the ruler with your pencil. Cross the word quickly. Next, the key is in the lock. Where is the key? The key is with the lock. Yeah, listen. The key is in the lock. Children, match the picture. Second one picture. Okay. Yeah, children, in this class, unit 2 complete. Okay. Listen. Okay, children. Today, the unit 2 final class. Okay, unit 2 over. Yeah, children. Bye-bye. Happy learning. Thank you, children. Okay, thank you.